at me like I'm crazy spinning around a circle.
What's up, people? How's it going? We're in the motherfucking Warflower Production Studios. About to get started. I'm about to show y'all what the fuck's going on. What are we gonna make today, guys? I'm about to show. We're gonna do a simple funnel. I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on what a funnel is and how to make one. And then I'm gonna give y'all a link to check out so y'all can go get y'all's own funnel and play with it. And got 14 days free. So let's get to the lecture at hand. Bam, we're gonna go do this right now. We're gonna go straight to phonesites. Yes, phonesites is the place to make your funnels. I'm telling you, these guys are awesome who made this. It's fucking so simple. 5 minutes, make your funnel landing page. What is a funnel in a landing page? I'm about to tell you. A funnel slash landing page is literally something that looks like a website. And I'm going to show you an example. Here's somebody that I'm running for an ad right now. Metroplex Piano Moving. Go check them out if you need any accessories or any of your piano moving capabilities. I say capabilities. I would edit that out. That don't even make sense. I'm just high right now. But anyways, let me show you what's going on. This is a funnel. I do got a timer because we're running a sale right now for that amount of days for the month of January. And notice, I already got room to run, special 20% off, replacing your carpet for your next floor renovation, you know, all that stuff. How it looks like a website. Now here's where it gets interesting. You want to sign up, right? So let's fill out the form to receive the savings. As I sign up my information, I got a baby grand. Not applicable yet. Oh, gotta fill out the form. My bad. Let's put in tomorrow. Did I spell that right? Let's let fucking spell correct. Finish that and submit. As we submit, it takes me to a thank you page. We will contact you soon. Woohoo! This is what a funnel does. It captures that information. Here's where I got the thumbs up. Here's my notification right now. And there's the actual lead. I don't know if you guys can see it, but bam, there's my information. See how fast that was and how easy that was for them to anybody to sign up. And now it even takes them, hey, you want to go get some? Yeah, I do want to go check out some caster cups. So I'll go click on that. Bam, takes me to the actual website to go shopping immediately. Funnel landing page explain 101. I hope y'all guys like this segment. And if you have any questions, hit me up anytime on my fucking DMs. Later. Boop, boop. And that's it.